everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and today I have this wig that I'm doing some maintenance on. So my customer sent this wig in to be cleaned and restyled, as well as to have the closure replaced. So she did send in her own closure. This is an option on the website. You don't have to purchase mine. You can send in your own closure, and I will use that to replace it. Just to let you know, if you do send in your own closure, make sure that it is the same size as the one that you're replacing, as well as the same texture. And also keep in mind that when it comes to curly textures, that not all vendors are the same. So you might purchase a curly closure that might not match the hair exactly, especially if it is my hair, because this wig I did make a couple years ago. This hair is from my collection, and the closure didn't match it exact. You can tell that the texture in the front is a little bit different from the hair in the back, but you know, I made it do what it do, and I blended it as much as I can. It wasn't completely bad, but it didn't match exactly, so do keep that in mind. And another thing is, when you do send in other closures for wigs that I made, the ones that I bleached, like lifted the hair color, and I need to match the closure, keep in mind that the hair doesn't color or lift the same. So, you know, it might not blend in and look exactly, but I will do my best to make sure that I, you know, get it as close as possible. But when you do have curly textures or hair that I've bleached or colored, I do suggest purchasing the closure from my collection so I can blend it and, you know, make it look seamless. All right, so back to what I'm doing. I, of course, used the clippers to shave off the hair from the closure, and then just put the new closure on top of that. That method is foolproof. Whoever invented it was genius, because I used to struggle and take a long time to replace my closures, and now that process is much easier doing that method. So I went and I washed and, you know, I shampooed the wig, got it as clean as I could, and now I am placing some conditioner on the unit, and I'm going to place it under the dryer. Taking some serum to loosen up the curls and the baby hairs, fluff it out, take some videos and some pictures, and yeah, I'm about to. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.